In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation to automatically advance slides. This can be particularly useful for a seamless flow, whether you're preparing for a lecture, a business presentation, or just want things to run smoothly on their own. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file. Once you have your presentation open, look towards the menu ribbons at the top of your screen. Up there, you will see various tabs like Home, Insert, Design, and more. For our task, you're going to want to click on the Transitions tab. This is usually located towards the upper left side of the ribbon. The Transitions tab is where you'll find all the necessary settings to control slide advancement among other transition effects. Next, direct your attention to the upper right section under the Timing group. Here, you'll notice options related to how and when your slides move to the next one. The default setting is normally to advance slides on mouse click, but since we're aiming for an automatic transition, you'll want to uncheck the on mouse click option. Right beneath it, you'll find the After checkbox. Check this box to enable slides to advance automatically. Once you've checked the After box, it's time to set the duration for which each slide will be displayed. You'll see a timer right next to the After option. You can determine the exact number of seconds or even minutes you want each slide to be visible on the screen before it switches to the next one. For example, if you wish to have each slide pause for just 1 second before moving on, simply set the timer to 1 second. It's important to apply this setting to every slide in your presentation unless you only want specific slides to auto-advance. Go through each slide and repeat the above settings, ensuring consistency throughout your presentation. Once you're satisfied with your settings, it's time to preview your work. Navigate to the bottom right corner of your PowerPoint window. You'll notice a small screen icon. This is the slideshow button. Click it to begin your presentation from the current slide. This gives you the opportunity to review the transitions and make any necessary adjustments before your final presentation. And that's it, you're done. With these simple steps, your PowerPoint presentation is set to auto-advance through slides, providing a smooth, hands-free operation. This setup can greatly enhance the effectiveness and professionalism of your presentation, letting you focus more on your delivery and engagement rather than manual slide navigation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.